with red, green, blue, white, orange, yellow, what is this, cyan and purple. So everything works. And then the disco lights, tick 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 tick. Hey guys, did you hear about these awesome lights which go bling 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 with music? These are called ambient lights. No, atmosphere lamps. So basically these go under the dashboard and below the seat, and they light up in different colors. These are all the colors that are shown here, and they look pretty cool in your car. So I am going to install these in this episode, so stay tuned. And why I am sitting like this in the car, this is a weird posture, but then the lighting is correct from that side. let's do the installation. Let me show you the unboxing and everything. So this is all you need for this build. Basically you don't need any tools to install this. This is like plug and play, but I'll be doing a bit modification, so that I'll tell you later what it is. So here's the unboxing. Open it up. This is all you get inside. Here is the remote, which has like the intensity of the lights on off, the color you want to light it in, and then the different patterns that it will play in. Fade, jump, all these, like, these are different functions that you'll be having with this light. Here are the lights, and that's all. That's everything that you get in this box. So the lights, these are 4 lights. 2 of them go below the dashboard, 2 of them go below the front seat. So basically you will have these lights at your foot, and here is the receiver for the remote. This should be at a visible place, and you can just plug it in to your you have a 12-volt port in the car, and here is the switch to turn it on and off. So I will not be I mean, you can just simply plug it in there and you don't need any installations, but I plan to fix it somewhere on the dashboard and hardwire it so that my plug, the 12-volt plug which I use for the charging port, is still free. So let's do the installation. As I said, it is simple plug and play. So 2 of them are smaller and 2 of them are bigger. So the bigger wires I'll be using for the back seats, and the smaller ones I'll just install here. All you need to do is take off this tape, double-sided tape. All the lights are in place. A quick test before I make the final connections.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, there it goes. And the remote
Connected.
Let's go for white. Hey, come on. I think the remote is not working. I think I need to check the batteries. Oh yeah, they have this protector to protect the battery before we start using it. I need to take that out. Come on. Oh yeah, I can just pull it out. Okay, now let's try and test this again. Where's the key? Yeah. Lights on. Yellow. Okay, I hope you can see it.
Bluetooth mode.
Yeah, there. So yellow, let's start with red, green, blue, white, orange, yellow, what is this, cyan and purple, so everything works. And then the disco lights, tick 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 tick. So test passed. Now next, I just let me make the connections final and sort out these wires, and then we are done. Now I'm going to tap these two, one, two. This is the power source. So I'm going to tap these two wires and connect them here to this, and then place it here like this. I will stick it, then I can just press this button to turn this on and off, and I will still have my power outlet as well. There's a blackout and it's dark outside. If I turn off the flash, you can't see anything. So perfect time to check out the lights. Pa-pa-pa-da. So I have installed the switch right there. It's hidden, cannot see unless you want to or you know about it. Just press the button and there you go, the lights. Oh yeah, let me turn off the flash. Check this out. Wow. So let me play some songs. I cannot, I'll have to use the FM. So I have put it on fade mode. Wait, mute mother. I have this on fade, so you see it changing colors slowly. So now if I want to keep it on constant, this will be red. I need to point the remote here that you cannot see here, then only it will work. This is green, blue, white, then orange, yellow, this is cyan, and the last one is magenta. So these are all the colors that you get. And then on music, so for this you need music. So let me show you. My phone is not connected, so some FM songs. What the fuck? So these are the 4 modes for music. Very bad music, but yeah, it plays with the music when the sound is loud. Okay, and then there are some other modes as well, but it looks beautiful. Let me show you the view from the back. So it looks from the back. Let me change some modes. Can I? Beep beep. Yeah, I can. From the back also I can change the colors. I just need to point the remote in right direction. It makes a pretty good atmosphere, so that's it. The installation is done and I am sweating so hot about it. I know you cannot see me, but that doesn't mean that you don't subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. And this is awesome. Check this out. Yeah, once again, here only. Once again, like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.